Greetings, my name is Vern Joyce, and I'm here to give you a quick overview of CoSpaces in the EDU sector. I have a free account, and the CoSpaces allows you to create a class, allows you to join students to classes via an invite code, pretty much like every other piece of EDU software. Um, and there is an archive if you have a paying account for older things. They also have a gallery of many different samples of things that people have already created for you to look at. For you or your students, the place where all the magic happens is in the My Spaces, and you can create a space. I've taken the liberty of creating a space earlier by adding in some drop and drag features. Down here in the menu, you can see that you can change the environment very easily to anything you want. I'll change it to a desert background really quickly, and I'll change it back to our building. You can also upload your own photos if you wish. It's very scalable and very powerful in that regard. And when working in a 2D interface, it's pretty intuitive. I'm just using a mouse with left clicks and right clicks to manipulate things, and I'll demonstrate that here with the mouse, with our Rouse here. You can move the mouse by dragging and clicking up and down in the city square here. You can put them into rotation mode, so you can move any of these objects any way you want. These are low-res polygonals, but that's fairly common for a web interface such as this. You can drag them to scale, you can make them bigger and make them smaller if you wish. And this is a translation mode for when you're doing advanced VR features, you can move things around in the 3D space. I also want to show you the right-click menu. And this is where some fun things happen. You can adjust the physics if you have a paid account, and you can also adjust the animation. So today we're going to leave him with cleaning. And you can change the color of the mouse or of any of the objects and change their whatever is given. And then you can lock it in place. You can also duplicate it. You can create a mask. But the powerful thing for teaching coders and younger students is that you have a simple drag and drop menu here. So you can take any number of these things and just drag them in there, and when you see it in VR, it will do those types of actions, and you can do it on event and that kinds of stuff. If you have a paid account, you can do JavaScript and those types of things. And like I said, this is pretty powerful, pretty easy to use. And you have the ability to put your own 3D pictures in here. I'm going to give you a quick playthrough before I disappear. I hope you've enjoyed this overview of CoSpaces. Have a good day. Bye.